Unlock seamless teamwork and keep everyone on the same page by mastering how to share your Excel documents online. Let's dive into the easiest ways to share your Excel files first. We'll explore using cloud storage services like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Open your Excel document, then navigate to the File tab. Click on Share. You'll see options to save to cloud, share with people, or email for cloud sharing. Select Save to Cloud and choose your preferred service. This uploads your file to your connected cloud storage. Once saved to the cloud, a share pane will appear here. You can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. Crucially, you can set their permissions, whether they can edit the document or just view it. Another powerful option is to generate a shareable link. Click the Get a Link button. You can choose the type of link, view only or edit. Copy this link and paste it into an email, chat message, or any other communication method. This is perfect for quick sharing or when you don't need to manage individual permissions. For a more direct approach, you can email your Excel file directly. Still in the Share menu, select Email. You can choose to send as attachment or send as link. Sending as a link is generally preferred, as it ensures everyone accesses the most up-to-date version and avoids multiple file versions bouncing around. By utilizing these methods, you ensure all collaborators are working with the latest version of your Excel document, drastically improving teamwork efficiency and eliminating confusion. So go ahead, embrace online sharing and elevate your collaboration.